Hi, this is Stuart from Alpha SEO, and today I wanted to speak about the add-ons to the Alpha SEO program. I want to explain the logic behind them, why we have them, and hopefully that will further explain when you use them, in our opinion. So, essentially our base package is a great package. Pretend you have a coffee shop. It's the coffee shop's geography, where that business is located, and 7 keywords. Now, in addition to working on those 7 keywords, you'll get a splash effect. Your client will get a splash effect on secondary keywords. But the base program is 1 geo and 7 keywords. So then, how do you add to the program? That's where the add-ons come in. So let's say, in addition to that first town, the client wants a second town. That's great. That's a geo add-on. No problem. We double the work. We'll work on 2 geographies at the same time. Let's also say, instead of the original 7 keywords, they want twice that amount. So if they want an extra set of 7 keywords, that's an add-on. Very simple. So you have that same coffee shop. Should they want to work on 14 keywords, it's the equivalent of 2 base programs. Doubles the work, we'll work on twice as many terms, things will rank. Now, the third add-on, which has some questions at times, which is why I want to be very specific, what we're suggesting with it is called a Power Boost add-on. Now, there's no time where a Power Boost add-on is a bad idea. What this does is it sticks with the current program. Let's say it's a base, 7 keywords and 1 geo, and it doubles the work. So why would we do this? If the client has the budget to pay for a double program, they're going to get extra on-site work done, extra off-site work done, and we will power that campaign at double speed. So in the event that the budget's available, they should expect to rank a little faster and be able to punch through in their area a little bit better. Now, in the event that it is a harder campaign, such as a vertical of a dentist or a lawyer or a home worker like a HVAC, now those are competitive industries, and our heavy suggestion is that when you place an order for one of those types of small businesses, you automatically use a Power Boost. So that's a base program plus just a Power Boost, which means we do double the work on that set of key terms in geography. Because it's harder, and because we know that it may take more work to show those results in 2 or 3 months, we want you to use a Power Boost. If you're an experienced digital marketer and you're speaking to clients and you can set the proper expectations, because let's say let's say it's a dentist and they don't have the budget, or let's say it's a business that you know should have a Power Boost but they don't have the budget. You can still sell the program without that, but you need to set the expectations with them that it may take a little longer to rank. Instead of getting from page 3 to 2, 2 to 1, they may be going from 3 to 2 in a few months. So if they can hang in there and wait a little longer, then they're going to still have results. It's always better for us to work on a campaign than to not work on a campaign. But in order to set everybody up for success in the harder verticals and even in a harder metropolitan area, our heavy suggestion is to use a Power Boost. That's for you to use at your discretion, but I want to give you the logic and why we have it in there. So to review, the base programs are great. Coffee shop, the town where that coffee shop's located, the base program, 7 keywords in a geo. They want to grow the program either at its inception or anytime during the campaign, add any kind of an add-on. You can add an extra geo, you can add extra key terms, or you can add the Power Boost. That's the program. Simple, clean. I hope you understand the use of the add-ons and specifically the Power Boost, why we have it, and look forward to working with you. Thank you for listening.